Hey, welcome back to the channel. Sam here from Highline Campers. Now it's a beautiful day today, perfect for showing you around our latest base vehicle that we've just got in stock. We picked the van up yesterday from VW in Liverpool, and this particular van is booked in for a conversion on the 10th of August for completion around the 20th of August, and it's a really great base vehicle. So what I'll do as usual is I'll walk around the outside of the van and just show you the exterior, and then I'll jump into the driver's area and show you around there as well. So if you're looking for a luxury VW camper on a really great base vehicle, this could be a really good option for you. So I'll talk through the details of the base vehicle as I show you around. So let's get started. Okay, so here we are. So this is a VW T6.1. It's on a 2022 plate, so it's just over a year old, and the colour is called Pure Grey. This is the first Pure Grey van that we've actually bought, and I've been meaning to buy one for a while because I really do like this colour. So it's a little bit different to the Indian Grey. It's a bit more of a matte finish, but it's a really popular colour. And when these Pure Grey vans have been converted, they look really nice, especially when they've got all the black trim on them. So this is the Highline model, so it comes with all the tech inside it, which I'll talk you through in a minute. But this van really does look like a new van, and it also drives like a brand new vehicle. It's only done 11,300 miles from new, and this was actually a demo vehicle, so it was a VW demo vehicle, so it was only used for test drives and short journeys at VW. So it's a really safe bet for a camper base vehicle. Now this particular van is also a tailgate, which is what a lot of people are looking for, and all the bodywork on this van is absolutely perfect. We've not found any dents, scratches or scrapes anywhere. It's absolutely perfect and just ready to be turned into an amazing camper starting on the 10th of August. So what I'll do now is I will jump inside the driver's area and just show you inside and just talk through all the tech inside the van as well. Okay, so here we are inside the van. Okay, so as I said, this is a T6.1 van, so it's got the full updated dashboard, and it comes with all the tech that you could possibly need. So it's got the adaptive cruise control, it's got the air conditioning, it's got the multifunctional leather steering wheel, it's got a heated front screen because it's a Highline, it's got the auto wipers as well, so the automatic wash wipers. It's also got the automatic folding mirrors as well. So it's got the captain driver's seat with the armrest, and then it's also got a double passenger seat, which we're going to be reupholstering, and I'll put some pictures on the screen now of what this is going to look like once it's been reupholstered. So the inside of this van is really tidy. It really does look like a brand new van, and it actually smells like a new van in here as well. It smells like a new vehicle that's just been collected. So it's a really nice van. It's a 5-speed manual gearbox with 110 horsepower. And we get asked a lot about the 110 horsepower engines, and in my opinion the 110 horsepower is more than adequate for a camper, a lot more so than the old T6, which was 103 brake horsepower as standard. But these 110s have got quite a lot more torque, they're a lot more modern engine, and they drive really well. If you did want a remap on it, we can do a remap on it, but I personally think the 110 is absolutely fine. So the interior is absolutely great, and if I'll just quickly show you in the back here, it's just been boarded out. It's never been used as a builder's van or anything like that. It's literally just been used as a demo vehicle. So all of these panels will all be ripped out and the roof cut out and all the windows ready to be turned into an amazing camper. Okay, so I'll just do a quick walk around of the van just so you can see it from all angles. But I'm sure you can imagine what it's going to look like once it's had the platinum package fitted. We have actually chose all the materials and spec'd the van out ourselves. So if you'd like to see more details about the conversion package and the van, if you go to our website, which is highlifecampers.co.uk, and you go to the sales page, you will see all the details of this base vehicle, including the base vehicle spec, and like I say, all the conversion package features that we've chosen for this van. Now these types of base models don't hang around for long. We usually get buyers for them well before they go in for conversion. So now this is going out on YouTube. We're pretty confident this van is going to sell pretty quickly. And like I say, we are starting this on the 10th of August, and it will be complete by around the 20th of August. Okay, so that's it for my little walk around of this amazing base vehicle. If you are interested in this van plus the conversion package, like I said, it's having our platinum package started on the 10th of August. Will be complete by the 20th. So if you are interested and you want a luxury camper before the end of summer, this could be a great option. We have also put a reserve on another great base vehicle, which we're starting on the 1st of September. And that's a very similar van to this one, but it's actually the Ascot Grey. So it's kind of a very dull white colour. You may have seen the colour around. It's actually a Porsche colour, and we really love the Ascot Grey, and we've been dying to get one of those vans in for a while. So I'll just put a quick picture on the screen for you now, just so you can see what the Ascot Grey van looks like. We are quite early with the Ascot Grey one, so we've just put a reserve on it. We'll be getting it delivered in about a week's time. So if we do get a buyer for that in the next week or so, then the buyer will get to choose all the spec, the colour of the roof, the flooring, the wheels, the furniture, the upholstery, and everything inside the van. So if you're interested in this Pure Grey van or the Ascot Grey van, details of both of those vehicles are on our website, which is highlifecampers.co.uk. Just go to the menu, click on the sales tab, and all the details of both vehicles are in there. And if you've got any questions or you want to speak to me on the phone about either of these vehicles, you can also book a call with me on the inquiry page on our website, or just send us an email and I will get back to you personally. And if you've not already subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure you do that, because I do regular walk around videos of all the base vehicles we're getting in stock, as well as all the completed campers that we've got. And I also share kind of bite-sized information videos covering all sorts of topics about VW campers. So make sure you subscribe. And if you've got value from this video and you've enjoyed the content, please also consider hitting that like button, and I will see you in the next video. Speak soon.